what I'm going to talk about in this video, and my answer to this question of whether you should hire a Facebook ads agency to run your ads or not, or even when you should be hiring an agency, is based on years of experience. So I'm not trying to be aggressive. I'm not trying to talk in a bad way about any agency or any type of services. I'm just telling you what I think you should be doing if you are an owner of a small to medium business. And my opinion, as I said before, is based on years of experience. I have worked with so many e-commerce brands before, and I know the type of challenges, especially when it comes to budget, that they face. So in this video, I'm going to give you my best advices to tackle this topic. For any business, running Facebook and Instagram ads is extremely important, especially if you are selling a product or a service. But in our case, we are selling a product. So as I said before so many times in this YouTube channel, even if you have the best product in the world, if you don't market to this product, if you don't put it in front of people, you will never be able to sell it. And Facebook and Instagram are platforms that allow you to show your products to people without them having the intention of buying. So basically, you're creating demand, you're showing people your products, you're inviting them to check it out, you're letting them explore it, and hopefully later on buy it. Okay. All social media platforms offer something similar to this. So you have TikTok, you have YouTube to some extent. Google ads are different because you need people who are going to buy your products using Google ads. They should have an intention. But now with PMAXs, things are a little bit different. But shortly said, the opportunities you will find with Facebook and Instagram or even TikTok, you can't find anywhere else. Okay, so with Facebook and Instagram, you can scale your products as much as you want because everyone is using these social media platforms now. So if you are able to communicate your product benefits in a good way, if you are able to communicate your brand unique selling propositions in a good way, you will be able to make a lot of sales and generate a lot of sales easily. So I'm totally a big fan of these platforms and running ads in there in order to drive traffic and to make sales. If you are starting out, budget is going to be one of your biggest challenges. For every business, for every new business, this is always the case. Okay, and usually what I have seen in most of my years of experience, most brands are willing maybe to put 3K per month on ads, maybe 2K per month on ads, and that's it. They are starting out, they are afraid, they are not sure if they should invest that much budget or not in there. All of these things are affecting the judgment, but I'm pretty sure that many people are simply short on money. They have developed the product, built the store, now with the ads, they need more money and more budget. So what usually happens is that clients come to me. Okay, they have a certain budget to put monthly on ads. And one of the most common things that I hear is that we want to hire someone to run ads for us. We can't take any more tasks. We are already very tired, very overwhelmed. And these feelings are normal. You've built a business, and building a business is hard and it needs a lot of work. And I'm pretty sure during the process of building this business, you have learned so many things and you were forced to learn so many things. So running ads, learning ads, is just one more thing that in most cases you don't want to learn. But unfortunately, this is a very wrong mindset. And if you are the owner of a small business owner, I need to tell you the truth. You must learn how to run ads before even thinking about hiring an agency to run ads for you, especially if you are on a limited budget. The main problem with directly running into hiring an agency to run ads for you is that in most times the agency's, let's say, fees are going to be very similar to your budget. So most agencies will take between $2,000 to $3,000 per month to run ads for you, even if they take lower than this. Okay, most of the time their fees are very similar to your budget. Okay, and this is bad because if you have $5,000 per month, you better spend it on ads at the beginning, not on an agency. This is first. Second, if you don't learn how to run ads and you directly hire someone to run ads for you or an agency, you will never never learn how to, let's say, audit their work, how to know if they are doing things in the right way. And believe me, there are so many people out there who will tell you that they know how to run ads, but they have no idea about it. So this is the second thing. The third thing, and it's in my opinion the most important one, is that most of the agencies now, they will help you to run ads, to set up the campaigns, to run the ads, but they will not help you with creating the video ads or the ads that you should be running. And this is the part that will take most money and most effort. So hear me well, for you to run ads, you need video ads or photos for your ads, okay? And these ads should be created by someone. And we all know that now the best performing ads ever are the UGC ads. So basically you need people to film videos for you, to record ads for you, and you need to run them. Most agencies are not going to do this work for you. Most agencies will tell you to create the videos yourself. And this part of creating the videos is the hardest part and the part that affects the ads the most. Because now with Facebook and Instagram, you barely need like to click few things in order to run ads. All the work, all the difference in your ad results will be in the ads you are running, in the video ads you are creating. So if you are going to work with an agency that doesn't do the video ads for you, basically they are not doing anything that difficult. They are simply setting up the campaigns and looking at the results and asking you to create more and more videos. So instead of paying a lot of money for an agency to run ads for you, I highly recommend you to learn this by yourself. And this is exactly how I work with all of my clients. I coach them into running ads. I show them what type of ads they should be creating. I sometimes even show them how to create these ads. We write the scripts together, they film them, they edit them. I give them instructions about fixing the editing, how to make the videos better. I show them how to set up campaigns and they start running them by themselves. Then I show them how to follow up with the results, how to learn to like decide which ads they should stop running, which ads are good and they should be focusing on more and more. And all of this is something that you can learn, and it's not difficult at all. Believe me, all of my clients learn how to do it. I'm pretty sure you can learn how to do it as well. The only thing that you should have, and it's actually the only skill that you should have, is the willingness to learn. Your willingness to spend 2 or 3 hours at the beginning in order to learn about the platform, how it works, how to like set up campaigns and so on. Then your willingness to put time into learning how to shoot videos, how to do the ads, or even how to hire content creators to do the ads and so on. With all of my clients, with all of them, we never hire Facebook ads agencies or agencies to run our ads unless we have a huge budget like of $20,000 per month on ads or something like this. At this stage, usually, yes, we hire someone to run ads for us and we follow up their work. And they take also care about the video creations process. So we don't need to worry about this anymore. But if you are on a limited budget, there is no reason, like literally no reason on earth of why you should be hiring an agency to run the ads for you. Because again, most of the time you will be ending up doing all the work of like creating the ads and so on. Okay, and even if you found an agency that's going to take care of the ads, that's going to do the editing and the voiceovers and everything, I still recommend you at the early stages of your business to do it by yourself, at least the running ads process. If you are going to, let's say, hire someone to do the video ads for you, it's fine. This work, especially if you are going to work with content creation, is going to be something that you can like let your social media manager work on, or maybe hire people to do it. It's fine. But the part of running ads is something that you should be doing yourself in order to have a sense about how these platforms work. But the part of running your campaigns is something that you should be doing yourself in order to have a sense about how Facebook and Instagram ads work, and in order to be able in the near future to hire someone to run these ads for you and be able to audit their works and decide whether they are doing their work in the right way or not. I'm gonna list some of the skills that you would need to learn in order to be able to run the ads by yourself, okay? And I promise you can learn all of these skills. Even if you just watch my YouTube channel, you will find a lot of videos in here that will teach you all of these skills. Maybe you just need like to rewatch some videos, to do a little bit of research, but that's it. I've worked with so many clients and all of them are now running their Facebook ads or at least they have someone in their team, someone in-house running their Facebook ads. Most of the time, we end up not hiring an agency. We run the ads ourselves for years, okay? So I'm pretty sure you can do it yourself. So in order to be able to run ads, what you should be learning first is to do market research, to learn how to find good ads in order to learn from them, get inspired from them. This is your first step, and you can do that by doing market research on the ads, Facebook ads library, or going to TikTok or going to Instagram and learn from there. This is the first thing, and it's super easy. It doesn't take any effort. The second thing that you should be learning is how to script, film and edit your videos. And this might be a challenging skill to learn if you have no idea about how to film, or if you are not at ease at all with, let's say for example, filming yourself and so on. In this case, it's totally fine. You can just hire people to do it. So you can hire people on Upwork, hire people on special influencers or content creators websites. I usually, with all of my clients, like to hire people on Upwork. We just simply post a job, we ask for a content creator, we send them the product, we give them instructions about what we want to show in the video, or an idea about how the video is going to be, and we let them film the video, and later on we give them instructions about things that we need to modify. In this case, if you are going to work with content creator, the best thing that you can do is to give them inspirations and to choose good content creators from the start. So choose people who know what they are doing. Okay, so this is the second thing that you are going to learn. If you are okay with filming and editing and stuff like that, this is a skill that you can pick up. It's not that difficult at all. There are so many easy applications to edit videos. You can film with your iPhone, and scripting is not that difficult, especially now using tools like ChatGPT and stuff like that. The third skill that you are going to learn is how to set up campaigns on Facebook. And this is one of the easiest skills ever, especially that your campaigns are going to be 1 or 2 and setting them up is super simple. So this is covered. Just watch this video on my YouTube channel and you will know exactly what type of campaign structures you should be using and how to set up your campaigns. The fourth skill that you should be learning is how to read your ads results. And also there is a video on this YouTube channel that shows you exactly how to do that. And that's it. Believe me, that's it. It's not difficult at all. It's all in your head, and what's stopping you from learning how to run ads is most probably an illusion. Something in your head that's telling you that you can't do it, but believe me, you can do it. The things that are going to really affect your ads results have most of the time nothing to do with an agency's work. They have everything to do with the ads that you are going to run, with your products, with your product pages, with your email marketing, and so on. So instead of putting a lot of money into hiring an agency to run ads, learn this skill so you would be able to hire the right agency to run ads for you. Or maybe you might decide not to hire anyone. You might decide to keep running ads by yourself, because if you have this process ongoing, if you already have some good content creators that you are working with, if you have your campaign set up, running ads will take maybe 30 minutes from you per week just to check the results, to add in new ads, maybe to set up some new ad sets, and that's it. I'm not trying to simplify this just for the sake of simplifying it, but really, it is easy. If you have the right support, if you are willing to learn, running how to run ads is not difficult at all. I have done it with so many of my clients before, and I'm pretty sure you can do it yourself. So is there any moment where I would recommend my clients to hire an agency to run ads? Definitely. There are 2 cases where I would recommend hiring an agency. First, if my clients already learned how to run ads and they are already familiar with the platform, they are already making a lot of sales, and they want to increase the budget and they want someone to take off this task from them at this stage, when we spending more than 10k or even more, 20, 30k per month on ads. At this stage, yes, we might hire an agency to take care of the ads, especially if we are running ads on multiple platforms and my clients are already overwhelmed with all the different things that they need to do, and we are scaling. At this stage, definitely. The other case scenario where I would recommend running ads, if the startup or the business is already starting with huge budget, with a lot of, let's say, investments in there. In this case, and if the business owner decided to skip learning ads, I would understand, although I might not 100% agree on this approach, but in this case, we might end up hiring an agency or maybe hiring team members and training them to run ads. The only thing that I recommend you to do is to have the right guidance, the right support in order to be able to learn this effectively. With the right support, with the willingness to learn, to invest time and effort into this, I'm pretty sure you will be able to learn how to run ads and how to make them profitable.